In today's video, I'm going to show you DEVONthink 4 review. Is it the best Mac knowledge manager in 2026? DEVONthink 4 is the latest generation of the long-running Mac knowledge and document management powerhouse, designed for serious researchers, writers, lawyers, academics, and anyone who needs to store, organize, search, and interact with large volumes of documents and data on macOS and iOS. It builds on decades of development and is marketed as a second brain tool that can handle PDFs, notes, scanned documents, web clippings, bookmarks, emails, and more, all in smart, searchable databases that you control. You can try it free before buying, and there are standard, pro, and server editions depending on your needs. One of the biggest headline features in DEVONthink 4 is integrated AI and smarter document access. You can use generative AI to summarize, extract insights, chat with your own documents, auto tag and categorize content, or use natural language queries to find what you need faster. There's also versioning and improved editors for Markdown and rich text, plus enhanced automation and workflow capabilities that help streamline research or paperless projects. These upgrades make the app more powerful than ever for deep, long-term knowledge work. That power comes with trade-offs. DEVONthink has a steep learning curve and a somewhat complex UI, and many users admit it takes time to master its full potential. New users often find it overwhelming at first. Licensing has also shifted toward yearly update models, which some longtime users find expensive relative to occasional use, and AI features may require third-party model or API integration to unlock their full power. In short, DEVONthink 4 is still one of the most capable Mac knowledge managers in 2026. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.